Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. This is a mattress, and don't even ask me. Is pretty much a combination of everything humanly possible. Um, there are certain stains that I could see that are not going to be able to come out. That center stain or that top stain over there, I believe she used some kind of bleaching agent on that, so that may be difficult. But everything else, let's just see if we can use the right type of solutions to remove the spots and stains. I will tell you though, regardless if we don't bring this back to its aesthetic, um, appeal, one thing that we're doing is cleaning with probiotics. This mattress will be sanitized, will be clean, sterilized with our cleaning solutions without the additives of extra chemicals. All right. So that's important to realize. So I'm just gonna take some pictures here real quick as well. All right, good to go. Stand by. All right, guys, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're done with this mattress. Oh man, night and day difference, to be honest. Seeing it in person is actually seeing is believing. Looks really, really darn good. Even the stain that I said was gonna probably be permanent looks 95% better. And the thing is, as the mattress is drying, it will get better over time because of the properties that we use. So we did the carpets here too as well. We also did the tiles. And not only did we just clean it, but we also sealed it. It's very important. All right. And then we did one room here, carry on into the hallway. This room here, pretty nice. We did this tile here, pretty awesome there. Room here, room here, and also the tiles here. I mean, it looks really immaculate in here. She's gonna be thoroughly impressed. I'm hoping so. I think we did good. All right, guys. Talk to you later.